Back on the C10. Wow.
That's your fault.
That was not... This was my fault?
This right here is your fault.
Yeah, not that.
Okay, that was my fault. This, look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all this.
First of all, who was driving? It's not my fault. Who was driving? No, I was not.
You were fucking driving.
No, the fuck out on him.
Down all the way the fuck around. Look, literally all the way
Where
around.
was it again?
On a regular street. No, but you know what? I was looking at this too. I need to fuck with this.
Why? It's not really on there, right?
Nah, it's not. I was looking at this. The other side is good. This
Damn, está bien grande la verga. That whole looks badass.
It moved.
Hmm?
It moved. And I was afraid of that.
That means you did something wrong.
Yeah, a little bit. Because this one didn't move for shit.
Because that's when you did it right.
Actually, that one I did it way better than that one.
I don't know. This one's telling you something different than that one.
That's weird.
But okay. That's the fucking bracket for it. Puro Brembos.
Okay.
Alright, better.
Is it the same red?
It should be. Kinda. Why, you want to paint them now?
Fuck. See?
I mean, if you wanted to match, yeah.
I mean, these letters are black, white, and these are red. I mean, black.
Pues, yeah, that's kind of weird.
But I kind of low-key want to take this off.
Why?
Chevy Performance? I don't know.
Bitch, you have a Chevy.
Then I'd have to put it here.
No, you could do it different on the back, no?
What should I do?
Yeah, paint them, but they have to say Brembo in black
Yeah.
in the back. I mean, you can have it say the same if you...
It's hard to peeling, you see that?
Yeah.
So we just put them on and then paint them on there? Or...
Paint them now, Carlos. It's gonna be a bitch trying to paint them on there. Fuck, that means we can't start on, huh?
That's what I'm saying.
What, do you want to fix that?
That's like a 10-minute fix. Should we take off the wheel too?
Okay, let's just take the wheel off so we can go take it to get repaired.
Okay.
Fix the caliper.
Okay. Yeah.
Test fit the rear brakes, the ones that you want to paint.
Yeah.
And then and if they do fit and they work, then we can just paint them.
Okay.
That way they can match the front ones.
Yeah.
And then we just need to buy the little Brembo brake.
That-
Not
that-
Brembo brake, the sticker.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, you have to look at yours. Just look at yours. Yours is, fuck no. Yours is a 5th gen.
Sorry.
6th gen.
Bitch.
Oh, yeah. Nah, but those don't have Brembo.
Oh, fuck.
Really?
No,
Nah.
they're fucking weak. I don't know why I followed you in here to record you.
You're using that as
Huh?
You're using that as a handicap not to work. You're making me do all the hard work again. Like always.
First of all, not always.
Always.
No.
Every single time.
All right, bitch. And the next time, you're gonna do it again. Para que no diga que no hago nada el pinche culo. I love that fucking noise. Cuando caen en el suelo. ¿Listo?
Ay, por fin.
Agárrala a la verga. No. I hate when y'all do that.
Why? Well, I'm not gonna fucking.
Because it sounds scary. Part 2, para que no digan que no hago nada. La verga, I forget these are the...
That is not.
Sir, you're fucking up.
Sí, está bien.
Cálmate, roñoso.
I'm not saying it because they're Billy's, but I'm just saying because they are. It's aluminum. Watch out.
You see exactly my fucking point when y'all do that.
Mira, la tamalera. Saca los tamales.
La vaporera.
Oh, pendeja. And they start taking it off.
Yeah, I was about to say, bitch. Have you been driving like that? Oh, fuck. Okay. Just making sure.
Well, it goes like that, yeah.
Okay. Alright.
That's some gold.
Damn, true. They're blue? Oh my gosh. These are nice. I love blue. You're gonna have to paint them red. They didn't give you the option for red?
You see, put that one in there? Yeah. The fuck?
What the hell? What the hell, Auntie? What the hell, Barry?
Yeah, what the fuck?
No caben. Yeah. Test failed number 1.
What the fuck?
Are you sure yours not a different Sentinel, right? Are you sure you bought the right kit?
No, it is going. Yeah, look, it is going.
Oh. One day I'm gonna make a compilation of all the videos that I've caught you hitting your head. Yes.
I don't know, but I need something.
But you could just grab a screw from over there.
That's
Why are you
cool.
taking it off?
Because they're different screws, different sizes. Thank you.
Ya me tocaba. But it didn't hurt that bad. I went like that. I went, boop.
God saying, like, oh, you ain't talking shit. Talking shit about my boy? He's like, I got you. I got you, my boy. I need a fucking...
¿Qué buscas?
That big ass Allen wrench.
And Jaime's box.
Oh, my God. Yeah, Jaime box.
I know. Ahora sí?
Now I need your matraca. Now, why does it get dirty like this? Like, what the fuck?
Brembo brakes do that.
Nah, fuck no.
I'm kidding. There's not even a Brembo brake. That toolbox was supposed to be my toolbox. No, because he put whatever the fuck he wanted to put in it. I didn't even get to choose.
Hey, when everything was in my toolbox, I didn't bitch and moan, so suck it up.
I'm gonna buy another toolbox.
Hell no, you're not. That's your toolbox.
No.
Take out everything there.
I don't claim it. I'm kidding.
Take it out. Okay, there.
Okay.
It's not gonna fit because we had to cut parts of it out.
So you just need to make sure it will sit.
Yeah. That's a bad thing about this kit. You have to cut.
Oh, like it even tells you?
Yeah. The way it's made.
It's okay. That's not that bad.
I don't have the fucking emergency brake.
Yeah, there's no point in you having them. You can't add the emergency brake?
Well, this the thing is fucking welded this shit, cut all the brackets and everything off, so...
So no.
No, basically, essentially no. You know what I wanted to do though? On the 2024s, they have electric brake. Electric emergency brake.
Okay.
But then that would mean like I won't have Brembos.
Oh.
Your dad.
Ahora sí, mijo.
I mean, they both up, but This is my only thing. Doesn't get to like right here.
Well, because it's more open, no? It can close more, no?
Nah.
Not that much?
Uh-uh.
You sure?
But look how that hole looks front of that.
Are you sure it even moved and you just didn't leave it like that? ¿Dónde tiene que estar, supuestamente tú? Lo que no veo.
You see? Cuando se está desgastando, and look where it's at now.
No, I don't see it. Oh, because it's not close enough to the edge? Oh, porque the top is lined up and the bottom isn't?
Yeah.
See what you mean.
Oh, maybe the bracket's flipped.
¿No quiere? Oh, this one? No se te va a caer. I'm just gonna let go. Oh, yeah, no mames. What a difference. Beautiful. Porque el otro sí está bien, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Y nomás mañana mandar esta chingadera.
You see it?
What? Yeah. Sí está todo crooked, basically.
Se estaba desgastando desde acá.
Así como un angle.
Yeah. That's probably why when I would reverse it, like you could hear like this.
Oh, yeah. When you would brake, right?
Yeah, when I go reverse.
Like reverse brake?
Yeah. Because it's like struggling or making, I don't know.
Yeah, true. I didn't think about it.
Steamer bound.
Ah, todavía no. Next year.
Yeah, si Dios quiere.
Si quiere.
I think we're gonna just do this. Well, we did that sneak peek, and then pues Sunday we'll show everything for the back.
Yeah, like actually install them. Just to make sure we get the right shit now that we kind of there.
Yeah, you can see it.
Alright.
That's not the matraca.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my matraca. Bitch, I said that.
What I said verbatim.
I know. That toolbox was supposed to be my toolbox. No, because he put whatever the fuck he wanted to put in it. I didn't even get to choose.
Hey, when everything was in my toolbox, I didn't bitch and moan, so suck it up.
I'm gonna buy another toolbox.
Hell no, you're not. That's your toolbox.
No.
Take out everything then.
I don't claim it. I'm kidding.
Take it out. Okay, there.
Okay. Let's hope it fits.